Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I wanted to do something a little different and go over some of the stuff I think would make a great gift for Christmas for your loved one that is new to canning or gardening or just trying things out for the first time. The first gift idea I have is this. This book has over 400 different recipes in it, and I use this all the time. As you can see, it's very well used. So it teaches anything from water bath canning to pressure canning, and this is a very good resource to have on hand, especially for a brand new canner. There was a time in the not so distant past that I could not cook anything. I couldn't even make toast without burning it. So my aunt bought me this book as a gift one year for Christmas whenever we had just gotten married and my husband thought I was trying to kill him. This was a lifesaver. So whether you're looking for a practical gift for someone who is recently married, is moving out on their own, or has moved out on their own, the cost of food at the grocery store is going up along with eating out at restaurants. You can't go out even to a fast food restaurant and get a meal for under $10 anymore. You just can't do it. And cooking at home will save you money, and this is a good book to have for beginners learning how. Goes over the very basics. Things like how to roast a whole chicken, how to make bruschetta, buffalo wings, you name it, it's in here. And it goes over step by step with pictures how to do it. Here is, for example, here is how to make bruschetta. It covers everything, even step by step visual pictures. So this is for beginners, and it is a great gift to have, and I do thank my aunt for that, and so does my family. So great gift idea. Next on my list is this little guy. I know it looks ridiculous and you're like, what the heck is it? But let me show you how to use it. Watch how slick this is. You take your opener, put it right on there, and just lift it right up, and you can see there's no damage done to the lid itself. This is a jar opener for your home canned goods, and the way that this is designed, it will not damage your lids. So if you plan to keep your lids and use them for vacuum sealing things like rice or dried beans, whatever you would put in a jar and need a lid for, it's perfect because it does not damage the lid. It doesn't put a bend in it or a dent or anything, and this is a handy dandy tool. I will say, whenever we bought this 2 years ago, I think, we had to get it on eBay because they did not sell this at any of our local stores, and it was $32 at that time, so I have no idea what it would be now, but this is a great tool to have for a canner. And finally, the last thing I think that would make a really good gift for a person that is new to gardening and canning is to have a few of these large bowls. Because when it comes to picking your produce, washing it off, having to let things soak, it's good to have a few of these larger bowls on hand. Now, we got these at, I want to say Sam's Club is where we got these at. And they're good for soaking cucumbers to make pickles. I use them to, whenever I can trout, to soak them in the brine. I mean, you name it, you can do anything in these bowls. So that is my last idea for a gift this holiday season. So good luck shopping. Good luck with finding the right gift for your loved one that is new to gardening and canning. And I wish you all the best this Christmas season, and just make sure that we are celebrating for the right reason. We put God first, and that is why we celebrate Christmas. So I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. God bless.